Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about a farm animal sanctuary. This one isn't in Florida, but it's still a good farm animal sanctuary, and it is in Bowersville, Georgia in the United States. It's a 501c3 nonprofit farm animal sanctuary. It's Outsiders Farm and Sanctuary, and it has over 400 rescued animal residents living there. And most of them are pigs, but they also have cows, goats, chickens, dogs, cats, rabbits, guinea pigs, and more animals. And most of them come from cruelty, neglect, or abandonment. At Outsiders Farm Animal Sanctuary, they get lifelong, it's a sanctuary, they get lifelong medical care, love, healthy food, and the operator, my rival's falling. The operator's name is Corrine, and right now they're running a fundraiser for hay and medical care and for repairs on the sanctuary's vehicle. So, I'm going to show you some of the animals at the sanctuary, and let's see. And one of the animals they have is a snapping turtle, and this is him. His name is George Washington. I'm going to show you more common residents they have there. And they have a birthday fundraiser. I might start just a plain fundraiser there. In this sanctuary, they have some of the cutest animals. I thought maybe it was the one that had where the cows and pigs had their TV, but I don't see it with their TV in here. That might be another sanctuary. But this is one of the pigs, and I'd like to find one of their cows and some cows and goats to show you, because they also have cows and goats and they're really cute. They also have a program with lower cost veterinary care for your dogs and cats if you live in that area of Bowersville, Georgia. And it's a really good sanctuary. Here's one of their goats. He's really cute. And just a bunch of cute animals living their life safe and peaceful, and they'll never have to worry about being unalived for food or anything. This is a vegan sanctuary, and it's a really good sanctuary, and it's in the southeastern part of the United States. And here, I think this is, let's see. And here are some of their cows. They have also bovine residents. And there's just a lot of really cute animals there. And if you want to help with their fundraisers, there is a Facebook page. And it is a group, so you have to request to be a part of the group. But this is a fundraising group. You can go on there and help with their fundraisers. You can share posts or donate through this group, or you can donate through their website or Facebook if you would like to help with their hay and medical care. And so this is just today's sanctuary, and I will tell you about another sanctuary. I'm not sure about other Georgia sanctuaries, but probably be back in Florida or North Carolina tomorrow telling about one of the sanctuaries, because there's a lot of them in this country. Like and subscribe if you like videos about animals that are all about like happiness peace, and life, because my channel is from a sanctuary, pets, and a hemsedary perspective. And most of the sanctuaries I profile on here are vegan sanctuaries.